I'm joined now by architect, presenter, all-round expert for UK Construction Week. It's George Clarke. Thank you so much for joining us.
That's an absolute pleasure. It's good to be here today.
Yeah, so you're looking forward to today?
Yeah, I mean, it's just nice to be back at live events. You know, I mean, we've all missed them during COVID and the pandemic, and you look at the number of people that have turned up today, and it's absolutely brilliant. You know, there's a real buzz about the place, so it's nice to be back.
Yeah, and I mean, in the Excel as well, being here in London, I mean, what a venue to come back to.
Yeah, I mean, look, any venue's great at the minute. I think we all get a buzz about anything that's live, you know, whether it's sport, whether it's construction week, whatever it might be. It's been tough for everybody the last few years, and tough for exhibitors, and I think getting everyone back and debating about construction and all the hot topics of what's happening in the world today is quite a big deal for the industry.
Absolutely, and one of the big topics for this event is culture change. So what does culture change mean to you within the construction industry?
Well, I mean, the construction industry, let's be honest about it, hasn't had the best reputation over the last 30 or 40 years. And you look at things like diversity and getting more women in construction as well, all of that's like mega important. Culturally, we need to change when it comes to building safety after Grenfell as well. So there's so many different issues. You've got climate change as well as cultural change. So I think the brilliant thing about today, I mean, I'm doing 4 or 5 talks, I'm on the stage quite a lot, and we are covering everything from, you know, the Building Safety Act that's just come in post-Grenfell, all the way through to climate change. And as I say, just changing the culture of the industry to make it better for everybody.
Amazing. And have you seen that change happen already, like through lockdown coming out? Can you see that people are really ready to go with these changes?
It's starting to happen. We've still got a long way to go, a long way to go. I still think the industry is sometimes stuck in the past a little bit. There is some great innovation happening at the moment, but it's that big cultural shift. You've talked about cultural change. That's what we need across the entire industry from top to bottom. So we're making good progress. I would say we've made a good start, but I think we've still got a long way to go.
And do events like this help?
Massively. Massively. I mean, you look at the panellists, you look at the people on stage today, you look at the exhibitors that we've got here. It brings everybody together to push that debate forward and instigate the change that's needed. So, I mean, that's why I'm here today, because I love it. I mean, I love building, I love construction, I love the industry, but I try and do everything I can to make it better year on year.
Amazing. George, thank you so much for joining us, and enjoy the show.
Thanks very much.